Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching Dead by Daylight and confirming your Xbox video output. This ensures brightness changes behave predictably. Once done, press the Xbox button to open the guide and go to Settings, then Display and Sound. Make sure your TV output matches the game resolution, typically 1080p or 16:9 HDR settings. Mismatched outputs can hide in-game brightness ranges. You want a stable baseline, so the game's in-menu slider responds correctly, and you avoid confusing TV pictures. You now change the in-game brightness to suit visibility and atmosphere. From Dead by Daylight's main menu, select Options, then Graphics or Display, and locate the brightness slider. Move it in small steps while observing a reliably dark scene like the map preview or a match waiting room, because subtle shifts matter for shadow detail and killer hiding spots. Make sure to test during gameplay. What looks good in menus can differ in active matches, so tweak until killer silhouettes and generators are clear without washing out fog or effects. Finish by saving your brightness settings and reloading a match to confirm the change sticks. Some settings apply only after a reload. If you use HDR, make sure your TV's HDR is enabled and run Xbox's HDR calibration for consistent brightness and color. HDR can compress dark details if misconfigured. If the image still looks off, turn off TV dynamic contrast or reset the console display settings. This resolves most conflicts between game, console, and TV processing and restores expected brightness behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.